You ever sit in a quiet room and your stomach suddenly growls? Like it's announcing to everyone that you haven't eaten? Yeah, super awkward, but it's actually normal. So, why does it even happen? But before I explain, quick question. When does your stomach growl the loudest? During class or meetings? Hit subscribe. Right before bed? Leave a like. When food's right in front of you? Comment a heart emoji. So here's the deal. Your stomach and intestines are always moving around, pushing food and air through your digestive system. When there's not much food in there, those sounds just echo louder. That's the growling you hear.